What's up, traders? It's your boy Giovanni, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video showing you guys how to make passive income in 2024. Now, first, I want to apologize. I know it's been over a month since I gave you guys an update on what's been going on with the Pamm account. Let me just tell you guys, I've been locked in. Locked in because we've been killing it, crushing it in the markets, giving people over 100% returns. Right now, we're at almost 200% returns on the ROE aggressive and over 100% returns on the conservative. And I'm so excited to show you guys these results and what we've been doing with these PAMs. Just yesterday, we had a 50K day. Today, as I'm making this video, we had a 29K day. So I'm excited to show you guys all these results. And I'm not gonna talk too much, man. Let's just get into it. So the first PAM, we have our Rich Off EA conservative PAM that's been going since December 5th until now, right? So over 5 months of data, and we just crossed over 101% gains. And you guys can see it's conservative. This week we did 1.80% gains and 60% gains for the year so far. And that may not seem like a lot, but any investor would love to have 60% gains for this year so far, or 100% gains overall with anything that they invest, especially if they're putting in large capital. So if you're someone who's looking to just make conservative gains, 1 to 2% a day, and not really have much risk, then this is the PAM for you. Here we have the aggressive PAM. Since March 9th, we've done 231% gains, about 2% daily, over 151% monthly. With the aggressive PAM, we aim to make investors 100% a month. So whatever you deposit gets flipped within a month. I'm not telling you that that's guaranteed to happen, but that's what we aim for all our investors. We aim for 100% returns a month. As you can see, we did 89% already. And we're well on our way to do 100 to 150% returns, maybe even 200%, depending on how the market goes. But all our investors are very happy, as you guys can see. Look at the amount of pips that we caught this month, 545,880 pips just for this month. You guys can see the equity just shooting up. Okay, great month for investors. And I have it on another trading journal platform called TradeZella. And I love TradeZella way better because they give you the data. They give you way more data than my FX book can ever give you. So you can see so far for all investors, I've already made almost $200,000 so far since we've been around, and we've been around since February 20th of 2024. So over 200,000 made. You guys can see the daily win percentage is 90%. So you guys can see here we have the trade win percentage of 62. So we may lose some trades during the day, but 90% of the time we're ending that day profitable. But I can show you better than I could tell you. Let's go to our reports. What you guys can see here is out of 44 total trading days, we had 37 winning days, only 4 losing days, 3 break-even days. The max consecutive winning days in a row is 11. That means 11 days in a row, people have just made money, thousands really. And we only had 1 consecutive max losing day, which means when we do have a losing day, the money is made back the next day. Let's go to our calendar where you guys can have that visual and you guys can see why I love TradeZella. And you can see since February 20th, the green represents a winning day in the markets for our PAM, and the red represents a losing day. So we win, win, win. I'm pretty sure that right here, I just wanted to get out of the trades. It wasn't no big loss or anything. And then we continue to win for the rest of the week. Friday, we won. We won all the way up until March 8th, which was NFP week. So if you guys don't know, NFP week is a week where you really shouldn't be trading, but we were in the markets at this time. So we did end up taking a loss. But we regained those profits since then, almost the same day, really. We only took a 4K loss, I believe, on that day. And we made everything back. And you guys can see we went 2 weeks straight without any losses, any losing days in the market. And then we lost Monday 25th, made that money back. You guys can see here we're on a roll again in April. Had 1 losing day on Tuesday, the 9th. Wasn't no big loss. made it back the next day, and continued to make incredible gains. And I want to show you guys here the trade journal, so you guys can see the days that I'm talking about. 7K, 18K. We had a losing day on Monday, which was only $100 loss. You guys can see thousands being made every single day in the Pamm, right? You can go to the next page. You guys can see that Friday 8th, which was NFP week, we lost 4,000. But as you guys can see, we continue to make that back and more as you guys go through these results. We made that 4K that we lost, we made that back in 1 to 2 days of trading. So it's really nothing. But yeah, guys, just want to be transparent with you guys and just show you guys the results that we've had so far. It is honestly the best Pamm ever, the best investment ever. But enough with the data and the results. You guys seen enough of that. Let's get to the testimonies. First, I want to be transparent with you guys and just show you some of my personal results with the Pamm account. I'm not putting you guys onto anything that I'm not heavily invested in. So if anybody's watching right now and they are skeptical and maybe they have some PTSD with trading, brokers, or whatever the case may be, understand that I'm not showing you something that I'm not heavily invested in myself. This is my own money. This is how much money I've made. This was on April 4th. It's not updated, but I've already made over 17,000 with this Pamm, just off of my own investment being in there. Okay, guys. So just a transparent moment for the viewers. Just want you guys to know that, hey, we're all in this together. Antoine here, I believe he put over $4,000 and he was amazed by his first or second day. He already made $800. So obviously he's like, what the F is this? Ain't no way. You guys can see here, somebody put 8,000 in, realized profits, 3,133. Another testimony here, this person only put in $500, I believe, and made over 1,000, was making some withdrawals through the way as well. This is one of my biggest testimonies. So this woman right here, she put in 10,000 into my Pamm and she made 24,000. I believe now she made over $45,000. But at this time, when she sent me this screenshot, she made over $24,000 already, bringing her balance from 10,000 to 34,000 in only 10 trading days. So that's what this can do for you when you put in a large amount of capital, guys, because we're gaining 10, 15, 20% some days. Just the other day, we gained 21% when we did a 50K day. So that's 21% on everyone's accounts. And when we go through crazy streaks, how we've been doing, this is the result. 2,600 turned into 4,100 real quick. Just another testimony. This is my public chat where all the investors are in the ROE Pamm chat on Telegram. The link is in the description as well on the ROE Pamm website. And, you know, it's just people being excited in the chat, you know, expressing, you know, their gratitude for this Pamm and this opportunity. You know, just more people expressing their gratitude for this opportunity. More results, 21% a day. And this is where the Pamm is at currently, with a 63% win rate and a 284% ROI for all investors. Now, as you guys can see, this is some updated results. This is just 2 days ago where we had a 50K day, 4/15/24 with the date. You guys can see we had a 50K day. Crazy, just crazy. And, you know, the best part about it is I'm not the only one who ate. All the investors ate with us. And you guys can see today, 4/16. So literally the very next day, which is today, as I'm recording this video, we had a $29,000 day. And I'm going to go ahead and post a video of me just screen recording the results for the month of April so far. We've done over 100K in profits already. That's been split for all investors. This is the month of April so far. Me just scrolling through some results, scrolling through the Pamm, just showing you guys all the blues. And we've already done $147,000 in profit. You guys can see the withdrawal. Obviously, it's real accounts, it's real people withdrawing every single day. You guys can see ROE aggressive. This Pamm is by far the best opportunity online over anything you can invest in, any crypto you can invest in. Right now, cryptos are going down, and we have been doing nothing but profiting big returns every single day in our Pamms. And I'm just so happy that everybody can benefit from this. No matter where you are in the world, you could benefit from this. People are putting in 500, turning that 500 to 2,000, putting that 2,000 in, turning that 2,000 to 8. Man, I've been seeing crazy returns, 10 to 40K, 40K to 100. Man, I'm just excited for everybody who's watching this opportunity now. The results and the data speaks for itself. But if you're a person who's looking to get started with the trading automation game, which is by far the easiest and most profitable thing you can do in the Forex niche right now, especially doing it with MyPam, click the link in the description at richardpips.net/ROEPAM, and there you can watch all the videos to learn how to get started. There's tutorials there and links so you guys can join the telegrams with all the other investors. And any other questions that you guys may have, make sure that you hit me up on Telegram, Instagram, any of my socials, and just simply ask me any questions you guys have. It's been a crazy month so far, and April just started, and I'm just excited to see all you guys' results, not just for the end of this month, but the next 2-3 months, next year, the next 2-3 years, where all your accounts are going to be at with the technology that I have. And this is the sauce that we have here at ROE Pamm, man. So I'm excited to see you guys in the inside. I'll catch you on the next one.